So my little brother just got into gaming and playing on a PC. He actually just got my old PC that I more or less gave him basically all my old parts for. I also gave him my Logitech keyboard as well as the mouse and mouse pad. Don't you wish you had an older brother like me? He's looking, however, for a game headset. I'm hoping I just found him his pair. So I've already have a HyperX Cloud series. I gave mine to a friend because she needed them for her new PS4. So I'm very interested in how the Stinger set goes. It's not wireless, but he doesn't really need wireless. So I'm willing to live with that. So let's get this open here. Never have an open knife anywhere. Make sure it's always closed. Good safety tip. So what is the HyperX Cloud Stinger? Kind of just bought this because it was here. It has the spatial audio, 50 millimeter drivers, memory foam, adjustable steel sliders, and a noise canceling mic for PC only. All right, normal literature. Got an activation code for the Sound Unbound app from DTS. And then a startup guide. Longer cable if I need it. How are we doing on? Ooh, it's not as flexible as the Clouds, but it can lay flat. That is actually nice. I don't like that it doesn't. I can live with that actually. Can you tell which one's left and right? No, but what's this? Hello? Oh, there's a peel there that I now can't get because I just took off the wrong way. It's got the leather padding for the headsets, which aren't my favorite. I like the cloth better, and there's no alternative set, which they do include in the HyperX Cloud 2s. Let's see, 90 degrees of movement. How do they feel? I can't really feel them on my head. I can kind of feel a little bit right around here around my ears, but that's just because of the foam, which is a staple to me for HyperX. They are really good about making sure that the tightness is there, but not so much that it hurts. I'm going to have to play with it a little bit to see how long it takes see if it does hurt. Let's see how long this cable is without me having to put the extra on into that. Okay, how long are you? 4 feet? 3 feet? About a yard? A little over a yard? That isn't bad. I just plugged in a headphone. Let's see how it sounds.
There was an oven.
I have to set it up. All right, so I got the audio working on my laptop, which that took a while to get up because I haven't touched it in 2 years, so 2 years of updating. And I played with these for a little bit. They're really nice. I really like these. They're a little loud. I had these on the lowest setting before mute, and they're loud. I had to actually go into my audio on my computer and figure out how to lower it on there again, because I keep all my stuff on max and then let my physical audio devices control the audio. That way it gives me more of a feel for how high and I want it. It makes more sense when you do it, not when I'm explaining it. But $30 headset, they sound really good. HyperX is killing it with their audio. I'm very impressed with it. They do have these little 4 holes on either side of the headset, on the actual headset, and it makes me think that they're kind of open back because it sounded like my audio on my laptop was on and that wasn't connecting to my headset at first. But that wasn't the case. It was coming from the headset only. So I'm unsure of what was going on there. The only explanation I can think of is that it kind of is open back in that way that has those holes in the top. A couple other things that I noticed. The retention thing here for adjusting your head is really nice, though I don't really need it. These things are huge. Like, without changing how it is out of the box, it hits my head perfectly. I don't know how it's going to be for someone with a smaller head. I am slightly worried about that. But for people with big heads like me, who I would call ginormous, perfect fit. The microphone does manually mute as long as it's in this upright position. It has a little click to let you know that it's muted. I'm having a hard time with this cable. We're just gonna put you right there. So, HyperX Cloud Stinger, right? Yeah, Cloud Stinger. Amazing bang for the buck. I would actually put it second to the Cloud 2s, in my opinion, so far. I haven't tried all of the HyperX Cloud series, but if they're anything like these last two that I've had, I'm going to get blown away. Because I could not tell you a difference between that and the Cloud 2s, save for the fact the Cloud 2s have an amazing microphone, and I was not willing to try the Stinger microphone. It's really hard for headset microphones to sound good because it's a small microphone. It's just a common thing. They sound better than, say, a webcam microphone or such. I'm getting a little off topic. Just headset microphones aren't that good. Just know that. There are better things and better ways to get good audio than using a headset. But it's good for when you're a gamer only, or you're a beginning gamer, because that's all you really need to game with your friends. But you can get this for about like $30 right now on Amazon. I don't know if it's on sale or if that's just the normal price. I would say get that. Get it now. Get it for your sibling, your significant other, what have you. If they're starting to get into gaming and they need a headset, that's an amazing beginning headset because it feels amazing. My only issue with it is how the leather is on the headset, but that's a preference thing on my part. I like the cloth. I really prefer cloth. And speaking of which, I'm about to buy replacements here for these on my Steel series that have gel in them. And supposedly it will help with keeping my ears cool. I'm very skeptical, but I'm very willing to try. So do get subscribed for that. You will not want to miss it. Well, guys, honestly, that's actually about all I have for this because these headsets kind of blew me away on how good they are for how cheap they are. So thanks again for tuning in. Don't forget to like the video if you liked the video and subscribe to the channel. Also, link is down below for my merch store. Get some great merch. I got some hats in. I got shirts. I've got hoodies. I've got jackets. I'm thinking about doing a blanket. I'm not really sure because I'd like something interesting than just my normal logo all over it or a big thing of my logo. I also have desk mats with either the logo on the left or on the right, depending on what your preference is and how your setup is. Always inclusive. If you guys enjoyed this video, how about you guys go check out the video on the other HyperX headset I had, the HyperX Cloud 2s. Those things were amazing, and honestly, they are great if you're a starting streamer because the microphone sounds amazing for a headset. Another video to go check out would be my Steel Series Arctis Pro Wireless, so you can get a wireless free streaming experience because that is an amazing upgrade for convenience for a streamer. Thanks again for tuning in, guys, and have a good day.